Hello and welcome to Walt Wednesday, where every Wednesday I like to give you my favorite tips and tricks for visiting Disney World and its surrounding areas. Today we are talking about rain. I don't know if you can see all that lovely rain behind me. It is raining here. It is raining. I am currently in South Florida, but it's Florida, so it rains all the time. Not just in South Florida where I live, but also in Orlando, where some of our favorite theme parks are. So one of the things that you can do when it rains is bring a raincoat. I think they're a little bit too bulky, so I don't like to do that. You can also bring an umbrella, but there's a thing called sideways rain. It's a thing. It happens a lot in South Florida or in Florida in general, so I don't really care for umbrellas either. Plus, there's a lot of people. It's hard to navigate with umbrellas, so I don't like those. A lot of people buy ponchos and use ponchos, and I am a fan of them. However, I'm not necessarily a fan of buying them in the parks. So I buy packs of like a dozen at a time of these disposable ones. They pack up really small. I keep 2 of these in a Ziploc bag in my park bag, and if I need it, great, and if not, they take up so little space, it's not a big deal. If I use them, then I put 2 new ones in there for the next time too, because it's just me and my husband. I always carry them with me. I can get them at a steal compared to the price in the stores, and I'm not worrying about paying all of those pricing or waiting in the long lines of all the people that are trying to get into the stores or up to the register to buy the ponchos. I just go ahead and take it out, put it on, and we continue on with our day. They're thin enough, they're cheap enough that when they're done, when it's done raining, I toss them. If I think it's gonna rain, then I'll go ahead and kind of squish them back up and stick them into the bag that I am carrying them around in, into the Ziploc bag. I do not try to put them back into the bag they came in. That'll never work. The bag will just rip, you'll get frustrated. So I put them in a Ziploc. I always carry enough for 2 for every day of our visit if we're going during the rainy season, which is hurricane season, which is pretty much all summer and the beginning part of fall. Otherwise, I usually just carry 2 for a weekend trip or 4 for a week-long trip. So that's my tip for rain. Go ahead and buy the ponchos, but buy them online or buy them in a warehouse store or buy them at Walmart or Target or something like that. Do not pay poncho prices in Disney. Hope you have a great day, whether it's a wet one or a dry one, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a great day.